Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Vocabulary. Can you get 10 out of 10? The nurse showed great blank when dealing with anxious patients. A. Impatience. B. Sympathy. C. Indifference. D. Frustration. The correct answer is letter B. Sympathy. Sympathy means understanding someone's feelings. The discussion became blank when both sides refused to compromise. A. Productive. B. Civil. C. Heated. D. Calm. The correct answer is letter C. Heated. Heated means intense or emotional. The museum's collection was so ordinary that tourists traveled long distances to see it. A. Ordinary. B. Remarkable. C. Disappointing. D. Random. The correct answer is letter B. Remarkable. Remarkable means worthy of attention. The detective used blank thinking to connect the clues. A. Shallow. B. Critical. C. Careless. D. Random. The correct answer is letter B. Critical. Critical thinking is analytical. The meeting ended in blank after everyone finally agreed. A. Chaos. B. Unity. C. Tension. D. Silence. The correct answer is letter B. Unity. Unity means coming together in agreement. The student's handwriting was so blank that the teacher asked her to rewrite the essay. A. Neat. B. Illegible. C. Elegant. D. Artistic. The correct answer is letter B. Illegible. Illegible means impossible to read. The climbers reached the summit with blank despite exhaustion. A. Despair. B. Triumph. C. Hesitation. D. Regret. The correct answer is letter B. Triumph. Triumph means victory or success. The toddler showed blank curiosity, touching everything in sight. A. Mild. B. Endless. C. Limited. D. Hesitant. The correct answer is letter B. Endless. Endless fits strong curiosity. Her tone was so blank that it made everyone feel appreciated. A. Harsh. B. Warm. C. Indifferent. D. Cold. The correct answer is letter B. Warm. Warm means friendly and kind. The students were blank to finish the project before the deadline. A. Reluctant. B. Eager. C. Bored. D. Confused. The correct answer is letter B. Eager. Eager means enthusiastic and ready. What is your score?